Hey, I'd like to show you the cart that I made for my Skywatcher 350p. So this comes already with a base that swivels, and you can see how it swivels like that. The swivel is pretty cool, but your base has to be level on a flat level surface. So I made this cart here. It's made out of 1-inch MDF. No, I didn't get it from the box stores. Got it from a specialty lumber store. But yeah, really nice piece of wood. And then what I did is I put wheels on it, and you can see there, wheels on 4 corners. Now the good part about it is if you want to level, I've got these leveling arms here, and the way that they work is they're just crank them down, and now it lifts it up. The wheels, there's 4 wheels, but there's 3 of these cranks right here. So 1, 2, it's like a tripod somewhere, but let me show you them. Here we go. I was thinking about a bigger tire because there's sometimes this will take you over smooth concrete and stuff like that, but I've got, if I go out into my driveway, I'm going to need at least like maybe a 6-inch inflatable tire. Let's see if we can get the shot from the underground here. I don't know if you can see that, but it has the 2 screws, one over there, one over here, and then it's a really very solid piece of metal. So, but yeah, it just lifts it right up, and it has a pretty good range of travel. So you got, well, I guess until I start hitting this. So I got at least a couple inches. Oof. Got a couple of inches of travel. All right, well, that's my cart for the telescope. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.